Hello everybody, male and female stampers. It's Wendy here from Narberth in Pembrokeshire. I'm looking through the card that we did the other day and I thought, what's wrong with that? Here it is, it's a lovely little card and no splodges, but I thought, well, there's something wrong, and then I opened it up and as you can see there, they'd bled through. And I was telling you, when I said about doing the envelope, I said, oh, make sure you got a little wee card in there, and because it shows through. So I thought, well, I've got to fix that. I can't leave everybody make cards like this, beautiful little card, and then ruin it by not covering that up. So I've cut just a rectangle of cards, and I'm going to put that over that leak through and try and line it up as best we can. Oops, wiggle. The wet ink gives you wiggle room, but sometimes it's just a little bit more wiggle room than you actually need. There we are. Now that's covered all of that. It's giving you a nice little area to do whatever on. But I thought, well, don't do it one side, do both sides. So I cut another one. And I love this glue. It is brilliant. Also from Stampin' Up. Right, not too much all of the corners because it does tend to split out a bit. Right. Here we are, that's lined up about the same, I'd say, wouldn't you? Right, and also I thought maybe splodge monster attack. Did we see that? Oh, I don't know. Every time, isn't it? I'm going to lock the door one day and stop anybody or anything coming in here. Again, we'll have to cover it, won't we? So I've got this little sentiment from this Free as a Bird. I've used this set over and over again. So I've got the sentiment here. And this, just line this up with my lines of my block. These aren't Stampin' Up blocks, I haven't got them yet, but this one says, your friendship means the world to me. And I think I shall stamp it on this side of my cards. Memento ink once again, and give it a good ink up. Here we are. Now I'm going to put that round about middle to top. Give that. Hold it for a second, applying a little bit of pressure, but don't whack you with a hammer or anything daft like that. Now then, come on, boy. Yes. Well, yeah, it'll do for now. You know, they're handmade cards, and you know you can't get everything perfect each time. And then this side, then I thought, because you put your name and their name on that side, and then on this side you could write a, I don't know, little poem or a little note or whatever, because after all these are note cards. Right, now then I'm going to cover this attack. Here we are, all gone, as my little ones used to say. Just sort of to make it not look so awkward. Put 3 there. Now then, the inks, the blends I used the other day are the light and dark Daffodil Delight and the light and dark Old Olive. Right, which is this one? Oh, right, this is the light one. So we go over it like we did the other day. Oops, I didn't put the greenery in. Put a bit of the greenery in there. There's green in the middle of these flowers, isn't there? I hope so. There we go, there's a bit of green. And because there isn't a lot of green, we don't really need to use the dark one as well. Only use the dark one if you've got quite a lot of green and you need the contrast between the two colours. Going round very carefully now with Daffodil Delight. All of this. Oh, drat, I've gone outside the line there. Oh, well, never mind. It's handmade. I remember saying that to a neighbour once. She said, well, it is handmade. And she said, don't use that as an excuse, which is always quite funny. Right, I've done the light in that, and I'm going over that with the dark. There. There we go. And then back over the light to blend all those colours in. You don't want the streaks, do you? I'm trying to do this as quickly as I can. That's why I went all wrong with that one, wasn't it? But it's not too bad to start. But with these blends, try not to go too far inside, the outside line, because well, they're very juicy pens, and they do tend to, if you get too close, they do tend to spread out a bit. I should have coloured, oh, could I? Hope you're keeping warm today in Narbus. It is freezing cold, and it's very, very windy. But I've just rang my orders through, so I won't be going out today. I can get it delivered. Here we are. Oops. There's that little bit. And once again, we go through with dark, with the light covering, blend the dark in. There's some people will do it the other way around. But I've practiced, well, I've not practiced is not a word. I've tried it the other way around as well, and I don't know, I didn't like it that much, because I didn't think I was getting that much of a difference in blending by putting the dark down first. So I thought, well, Wendy, if you don't like that, then do it the other way. There's no law against doing these things your own way. Oops. I've used rectangle stitch dies to cut these, and it gives you that lovely little stitched edge there all the way around. And that's another splodge. Oh well, what I will do after I've finished this, stop recording, I will go round with my eraser, and if there's any little bits that have come off my fingers, then I shall rub them out. Then there won't be any. Here we are. But hopefully there won't be any marks on the colours. I think doing it like this also, I hope I'm right in saying this, but if you use, sometimes you haven't got a thick enough card, but if you use this method by putting an extra bit in, then that makes the card more stable and it should stand up better. So there we are. I've put my finger over that. I've now finished the card, nice and tidy, and it's going to be ready to pop in the post for somebody. I'm sorry I didn't do this the last time. I totally forgot. Okay, thanks. Bye.